Hello ma'am, are there any must-read editorials for today's edition?
Yes, definitely. There's a very important article in the Hindu's opinion section today. So come, let's have a look. The article is lower BD taxes are short-term gain but long-term pain. BDs are taxed much lower than cigarettes, but they pose serious health risks. In many cases, exceed those of cigarettes. Now, in India, BDs, thin hand-rolled tobacco sticks, are taxed much less than cigarettes. Cigarettes are taxed around 40%, which is GST plus cess. BDs are taxed only about 18%. And the government says low BD taxes help poor workers who make and sell BDs. Many are women in rural areas. But health experts say this causes bigger problems in the long run. First, there is a health dimension to it. Now, see, cheaper but more dangerous. BDs are cheaper. Even though BDs are cheaper, they can be more harmful than cigarettes. BD smokers face higher risk of lung cancer and higher risk of tuberculosis and more breathing problems. Studies show BD smokers are almost 3 times more likely to suffer from asthma than non-smokers. So lower tax is equal to cheaper product is equal to more disease. Now, social dimension is, now there is a social dimension to it. See, who smokes BDs? BDs are mostly smoked by poorer sections, rural populations, SC, ST communities, and people with lower education levels. So while cigarettes are being used across classes, BDs are concentrated among the poor people, and this means poor people suffer more health damage. Now there is an economic dimension to it. Now see, does low tax help the poor? At first glance, low tax makes BDs affordable for poor smokers. It also protects jobs in the BD industry, but in reality, poor households spend a big part of their income on BDs. Later, they spend even more on healthcare. So money saved today is lost tomorrow in the hospital bills. That's why the article calls it short-term gain but long-term pain. Now, fourth is the tax policy dimension. Does higher tax actually work? See, data shows when cigarettes taxes increased, consumption reduced, but the BD use did not fall much because taxes remained low. Experts suggest tax both cigarettes and BDs equally, tax based on quantity consumed, and avoid price differences that encourage switching. Fifth is a public policy and governance angle. Now see, the issue is about balancing employment, BD workers, and government revenue, public health, social justice. If the government raises taxes, suddenly workers may lose job, illegal trade may increase, so reform must be gradual with alternative livelihood, skill training, health awareness programs. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole article. This article is highly relevant for GS paper 2, which is governance and social justice, GS paper 3, economy, and essay topics also like health versus livelihood dilemma, taxation as a tool of social reform, poverty, and public health in India. There's a line to conclude. See, lower BD taxes may protect livelihood in short run, but they increase health inequality and long-term economic burden on poor households. A balanced policy must combine higher taxation with rehabilitation of workers. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.